Let's answer that secret question everyone's been wondering about. I sold an item on Amazon, the customer received it in an Amazon box, and now if the customer wants to return the product, what do I do? First of all, sit back and relax because the answer is on the way. Initially, if you're asking this question, let me congratulate you since it means you've never sold anything on Amazon before, because if your product was sold on eBay Marketplace, provided it arrived safely to the customer, they wouldn't be interested to ask this kind of questions. Customers care about the product inside the box, not the box itself, because that's what they paid for. Somehow, if the customer is still asking you this question, you just need to send them the explanation I've given on the text. Then you'll see that about 95% will end their questions. Look, I've sold thousands, even tens of thousands of products, and only maybe 2 or 3 customers have ever asked me why the product arrived in an Amazon box. When you use the explanation I've given, you'll be able to resolve this issue as well. For more information, make sure to keep following me on YouTube and Instagram. Let's keep the ball rolling, guys.